Come to the exercise, students. Start the exercise. Question answers. Question number 1. What was the significant about Umayyad period? The Umayyad dynasty came to power 661 AD under Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan. Point 2. The Umayyad period is noted for the expansion of Muslim territories. Point 3. They made Cordoba their capital and made it one of the finest cities in the world. Point 4. Education, sciences, medicine, art and culture flourished in the Muslim Spain. Question number 2, student. Why is the Abbasid rule 9 as the age of wealth and culture? Answer. In the 8th century, Abbasid founded the city of Baghdad on the Tigris in Iraq, and this became their capital. Point 2. Baghdad gained fame as the most developed and cultured city in the world. Point 3. Two of the most famous Abbasid rulers were Harun Rashid and his son Mamun Rashid. Point 4. In Islamic history, the Abbasid period is known as the age of wealth and culture. Point 5. Learning and education in all fields were encouraged. Point 6. The Abbasid dynasty came to an end with the fall of Baghdad in 1258 at the hands of Mongols warlord Halaku Khan. Student, question number 3. How did the Europeans benefit from? Answer. Point 1. The Crusaders invaded the Muslim world from the 11th to 13th century. Point 2. His humane treatment of the captives. Point 3. His kindness and generosity were legendary. Point 4. He sent his daughters to treatment his enemy. Point 5. Salahuddin set up schools, colleges, hospitals. Question number 4. Find out more about Mongols. Who were their later descendants in the subcontinent? Answer. The Mongols Empire launched several Mongols inventions into the India subcontinent from 1221 to 1327. The Mongols made Kashmir their vassal state. Short answer question, students. Question number 1. When the major expansion of the Islam took place? Major expansion of Islam took place during the Khilafat of Hazrat Umar Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Question number 2. Which empire was culturally developed? The Persian and Byzantine empires were culturally developed. Question number 3, student. Who was Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan? Answer. The Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan was the governor of Syria. He shifted the capital to Damascus, a city of historical importance. Question number 4. When the Muslim presence in the Spain becomes stronger, the Muslim presence in Spain became stronger when the Umayyad established their rule. They made Cordoba their capital and made it one of the finest cities in the world. Question number 5, student. Who were Mongols? Answer. Mongols were of Central Asian origin. Those were fierce and ruthless people. Two of their memorable leaders were Genghis Khan, Halaku Khan. Question number 5, students. What flourished in Muslim Spain in past? Answer. Education, sciences, medicine, art and culture flourished in Muslim Spain. Question number 6, student. Who established Baitul Hakim House of Wisdom in Baghdad? Mamun established the Baitul Hakim House of Wisdom in Baghdad. Question number 7. Who was Salahuddin Ayyubi? Answer. Salahuddin known to the west as Salahuddin was of Kurdish origin. He ruled over Syria and Egypt and recaptured Jainism from the Crusaders in 1188. Question number 8. Who were Mamluk? They were mainly of Turk and Mongol region and came to power after Salahuddin Ayyubi. They were based in Syria, Palestine and Egypt. Question number 9, students. Write the names of notable rulers of Ottoman. Answer. Their most notable rulers were Muhammad II Suleiman. आज का स्टूडेंट हमारा लेक्चर खत्म हुआ. आपने लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस को अपनी नीट नोट कॉपी पर लिखना है और इनको अच्छे से याद करना है। अल्लाह हाफिज। लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज स्टूडेंट। ये इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, what was the significant about the Umayyad period? Answer, the Umayyad dynasty came to power 661 AD under Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan. Point number 2, the Umayyad period is noted for the expansion of the Muslim territories. Point 3, they made Cordoba their capital and made it one of the finest cities in the world. Point 4, education, science, medicine, art and culture flourished in Muslim Spain. Question number 2, why is the Abbasid rule known as the age of wealth and culture? In the 8th century, the Abbasid founded by city of Baghdad on the Tigris in the Iraq, and this became their capital. Baghdad gained fame as the most developed and cultured city in the world. Two of the most famous Abbasid rulers were Harun al-Rashid and his son Mamun al-Rashid. Fourth, in Islamic history, the Abbasid period is known as the age of wealth and culture. Point 5, learning and education in all fields were encouraged. 6, the Abbasid dynasty came to an end with the fall of Baghdad in 1258 at the hands of Mongol lord Lord Halaku Khan. Question number 3, how did European benefit from? The Kushadar invaded the Muslim world from 11th to 13th century. His human treatment of the captives, his kindness and generosity were legendary. He sent his daughter to treat his enemy. Salahuddin set up school, college, hospitals. Question number 4. Find out more about Mongol, who were their later descendants in the subcontinent. The Mongol Empire launched several Mongol inventions into the India subcontinent from 1327. The Mongols made Kashmir their vassal state. Short answer question, students. When the major expansion of the Islam took place, the major expansion of Islam took place during the Khilafat of Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Which empire was culturally developed? The Persian and Byzantine empires were culturally developed. How was Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan? The Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan was the governor of Syria. He shifted the capital of Damascus, a city of historical importance. When the Muslim presence in the Spain became stronger, the Muslim presence in Spain stronger when the Umayyads established their rule. They made Cordoba their capital and made it one of the finest cities in the world. Question number 5. Who were Mongols? Mongols were of Central Asian origin. Those were fierce and ruthless people. Two of their memorable leaders were Genghis Khan and Halaku Khan. Question number 5. Who flourished in Muslim Spain in past? Answer, education, science, medicine, art and culture flourished in Muslim Spain. Question number 6. Who established Baitul Hakim, House of Wisdom in Baghdad? Mamun established the Baitul Hakim, House of Wisdom in Baghdad. Who was Salahuddin Ayyubi? Salahuddin Ayyubi, known as the West as Salahuddin, was of Kurdish origin. He ruled over Syria and Egypt and recaptured journalism from the Kushadas in 1188. Who were Mamluk? They were mainly Turk and Mongol origin and came to power after Salahuddin Ayyubi. They were based in Syria, Palestine, and Egypt. Write the names of notable rulers of Ottoman. Their most notable rulers were Muhammad to सुलेमान। आज का लेक्चर हमारा ख़त्म हुआ स्टूडेंट्स। इसको आपने अच्छी तरीके से याद करना है और अपनी नीट नोटबुक पर लिख लेना है। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़ स्टूडेंट्स।